Frankenthal lies just northwest of Mannheim. It was the site of a powerful Augustinian monastery from 1119 until it passed to the Palatinate in 1562 and was settled by Dutch Protestant refugees. Severely damaged in World War II, Frankenthal was rebuilt. It is said that the attractiveness of the city depends heavily on its cultural life. Here are some of the reasons why the city of Frankenthal appears to attract tourists. The famous landmarks of the city includes but not limited to the ruins of the 12th century Abbey Church and the well-preserved triumphal arch-like city gates from the 18th century. The city is small and can be visited very well on foot. There are also several city and regional bus lines, which all meet at the Frankenthal bus station, serve the city and surrounding area. The city has an attractive pedestrian zone with short paths and a colorful mix of individual specialist shops, services, and restaurants makes the tour in Frankenthal surprisingly new and unique. Framed by the Town Hall, the Trinity Church, and the Erkenbert Museum, the Rathausplatz forms a center of Frankenthal City Center. This is where the three main axes of the pedestrian zone meet. The spacious square serves as a backdrop for numerous shops and cafes with outdoor setting, from where you can observe the bustle of the city. The area is a cool place to stay. There are plenty of benches available to sit, especially in the area near the fountain. In spring and summer, the colorful flower beds give the Rathausplatz an almost Mediterranean flair. You will really enjoy the stroll in the city without fear of the crowd. The place is also known for its weekly market. That is every Tuesdays and Fridays on the Rathausplatz, with a wide range of goods with mostly regional products. It is considered as one of the most beautiful events in the region. Even if the city in the World War II was almost completely destroyed, so it is still worth going on a journey of discovery. I highly recommend just to wander around the city and see what comes along the way. I hope that this video about Frankenthal will help you appreciate the city even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.